It says here that you're an actor. Tell me about that. You must love auditions. You said you really like performing for an audience. What, you're telling me that you act to an empty room? You do. And some of your friends who reluctantly help you. But mostly just a piece of tape. And there are no in-person auditions at all. Is there a reason for that? Not a good one. All right, I'll take a note of that. Well, the feedback that you get must take the sting of auditioning by yourself. You don't get any feedback. Well, then how do you know if you're getting anything right? You don't. Well, that tracks. So you've put huge parts of your life on hold for something that is potentially never going to happen, and now you don't know because you never hear anything from anyone and essentially live in the dark. No, I'm not crying. No, I'm not. British people don't do that. I'm just, there's water leaking from my face. This is not a healthy lifestyle. I'm trying to lighten the mood, but really, this is terrible. I very much think you should book another session.